Listen, can you see how far back my wig is pushed itself? I did not start off like this. Hey guys, it's your girl Province Bakare. I hope you guys are doing well. Like you can tell from the title, I'm a Barbie girl. It's giving Barbie. Apart from my wig that has decided to shift all the way to the heavens, guys, it's just been a long day of being cute. Allow me and my wig this time around. But this lookbook is something that I just had to do. I love pink. I am so looking forward to the Barbie movie. And this is just some of my looks, some of the things that I've put together from my wardrobe, some DIY here and there, some transformation here and there. So make sure to tag a friend, a family, an enemy, anyone. Get them all involved. This is all fun and game. So make sure to definitely tag and share and leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know which look you prefer, which look you would like me to create next, what movie are you looking forward to. And do not forget to subscribe, and I will speak to you guys real soon. Love you loads. Mwah. clearly is Barbie's word and we are all living in it. I did not want to miss this opportunity to create this lookbook. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun, so much pink, so much excitement, just creative things. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe and let me know what movie I should do next in the comment section, and I'll speak to you guys real soon.